Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set this lock screen clock also on home screen. So let's begin. Okay guys, first download these widgets on your Galaxy device. This widget download link available on description. Simply download and open. After open, look at these all One UI widgets on these widgets with all categories. Complete 1.5 widgets. Now, if you want to add home screen clock, then simply go to clock digital and scroll and look at these new 1.5 lock screen clocks also available on these widgets. Vertical and horizontal both clocks available. Let me show you how to add one by one all clocks. Look at these new 1.5 colorful horizontal clock also on this widget. Now, how to add? Simply tap on clock, simply tap on add, and this clock add on your home screen. Now look at these lock screen clock also add on your home screen. Now let me show you next clock, horizontal clock. And also new 1.5 horizontal colorful clock. Simply match this clock with lock screen clock. If you set horizontal clock on home screen, then simply set your vertical clock into horizontal. Like this, simply go to style and set horizontal clock. Now same clock add on home screen. And if you want to add this new colorful 1.5 clock also on home screen, then simply download GoodLock from Galaxy Store and update all GoodLock modules include Lockstar. And go to lock screen, edit lock screen, and first disable your system clock. Like this, select adaptive clock and simply hide your system clock. Like this. Now simply tap on Lockstar, add a widget, go to One UI widget and add this new colorful clock on lock screen. Simply tap on done and look at this new colorful clock also add on your lock screen. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.